Okay, so there's things I need to correct about this image. The face colors is not the same, so you can see here the color is different, and here too the color is different. I think this is a lot something like I'm trying to make the makeup, I mean, pop out, but it didn't work well. So I'm going to correct everything, every single thing in this face and the glitch. I'm going to take everything out. So let's see the before and the after. I hope you can see that there's a difference. I mean, from this image to this, there's a different things. So okay, so let's proceed and let me show you how to get the right retouch. So okay, so this is the image. Okay, and let's change the channels to layer, and this layers we're going to just duplicate, Control J, or you can make it a shortcut here. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this thing out, and this is the way you need to just, I mean, do it. Okay, so follow the process and do this exactly the same thing. Okay, so you can use this this two. Okay, the first one. Okay, when you click on this, you choose this one. So when you choose it, you can just copy it from here. Okay, to here. So when you get it, hit Control J. Okay, press Control plus J to cut this position. Okay, so when you're done with it, just right click and move to blending options. When you get to there, mark the overlay, the color overlay, and click here, and you're going to see the pen tool, and click on face. You won't see it, but it's going to appear and show you exactly the color you like it to be. Okay, then you move to the blend mode and change the blend mode to color. So when you get to the color, click OK. So when you get to the OK, make sure the razor tool, you're going to take the opacity around to 80 or 80 or 82. Not bad. Then you clean this side. Sorry. Then you just work on it like this. Take the razor tool and just say clean all this. So when you get to here, just try to bring this out, and here out, and here out, and here out, and here also out. Okay, so when you're done with it, okay, just reduce this opacity. Okay, reduce it to 40 or 41, and let's check it and see the before and after. Before and after. Okay, see the difference. So I think there's something over there again, so we're going to click on this image, and then we're going to choose the same color here. So when you choose it, just change this paint and brush to color replacement tool. Then you increase the pointer and you click on it. Okay, so you're going to get everything correct. So when you're done with it, you're going to get everything correct, and anytime you just work on it, just check before and after, before and after. So we're going to fix it and make it well, and make sure everything's going to be done. So when you're done with it, just hit Control plus E. It's going to add them together automatically. So the only thing we're going to do is that we're going to choose the red color, something like red or pink color. Then we choose the brush tool, and it creates new layer. When done with it, just click on it. So I'm going to fix it well, and then we change the normal color, the layer normal to color. How you saying it? Then we're going to reduce the opacity. and work with it well. Okay, so as you can see, I just fix it. So let's see the before, after, before, after, before, after. Okay, so that's how you're going to create everything. Okay, when you're done with it, when you're done with this position, okay, make sure sorry, make sure you just duplicate it. And right now the retouch is just a simple thing to do. Okay, there's nothing to just work on it. So the second one, I'm going to hide this one and keep it the second one, and move to the mixer brush tool and choose the face color. Okay, when you get it, I hope you all know this method. Okay, so I just want to add a little something so that we can just see what we can just add to it. I don't use the actions. I just create my own from scratch, no plugins. Okay, so you can follow the steps and do the same thing. Okay, so this is how it's going to do it. Most people keeping asking me, why you so fast, and how do you, how did you do it? And I don't know the secret. I only thing I need to do is that I need to make some time and practice more. Okay, so I'm gonna take, so I bring this one out, and that's the one I'm going to use to bring the textures back again. So only thing you just need is that you're going to smooth that down here, and this is the one you're going to use to for your texture. Sometimes you can use the you can go straight to the point, and here filter, and then you move to high pass. Okay, the high pass is the best key for you to use. Then you move to linear, and you're going to get the textures, the same textures. So let's see before, after. So when you get to there, just move to the adjustments, and you can move to the black and white, or you can move to hue and saturation and turn this one back. Okay, so if you turn it back, this is what you're gonna get. It's inside, but you can't see it. But sometimes you can feel like there's something is not right. So that's what you're gonna do. So that's the same as exactly, you can just learn from it. And then control E, like I showed you, you can add them together. And there's a mistake over here, so when you find any mistake, just make sure you choose the same color, at the background, and boom, you fix it. Okay, and the dot two, this one, okay, you can just use the step there and bring the lights in, face back. I make everything just work for me so easily because I don't stress much. Okay, and this is how you're gonna do it. So I can feel like there's something we need to fix over here. Sometimes we can make it white. Then there was this, the tool you can use to just make the nails white, and here you can just feel it like this. Okay, and step on it. The only thing is that you're gonna step it well. Don't mess up. It's too fast and it's going to damage it. So when you're working on it, make sure you will take your time to just um use that tool well. Okay, okay, yeah. So this what just want to get it for you today. So guys, I'm awake, and I'm going to get you more, and I'm going to get you more videos. And don't worry about it, just subscribe to my channel, so anytime I drop video, you'll get it very fast. Okay, so see you for the next video. Bye.